Stock investing does not require lots of money, contrary to what many believe or have been told. It does not require maintenance cost. No toilet or door to fix, like if you rent your properties out. And here is the good news. You can open free online account with brokerage like Trading 212. Welcome to my channel. Time to subscribe. Yes, of course, I know you don't know much about stock investing. However, today in this episode, I will show you how to start investing with as little as £100. Why is it important? Well, start investing now so that you don't miss out. And then gradually learn the skills of investing as your investment grows. Listen to Warren Buffett, one of the known gurus in this field. Learn from his wisdom. And I quote, "Stocks are still the best of all poor alternatives in an era of inflation," end quote. And please note, I'm not a financial analyst like Buffett, but your regular guy who share his opinion about financial education for financial freedom. I will start with KANDI AUTO, ticker symbol KNDI. It is a Chinese EV car manufacturer, a growth company with a lot of potential. KANDI AUTO has its own production plant in China. Unlike other auto industry who rely on the second party for the production of their vehicles. And in this business environment, to be cost effective, to be profitable and remain competitive, you need a dedicated production plant for your vehicles. And of recent, KANDI expand its geography to the US with the low-cost EV models, the K23 and the K27, and plans to open another factory in the US. To know more about KANDI AUTO, check my video titled KANDI K23 EV New Biggest Competitor. You'll see it at the end of this clip. As at the time of production of this video, the share price is at $6.20, though no dividend payment yet. However, in my opinion, this stock would skyrocket in the next 2 years, double-digit returns if you like. Okay, let's say you buy 5 of KANDI at $6.20, which is £4.7 each, total £23.50. Next on the list is Diamond Peak, ticker symbol DPHC. This is a US auto industry, another growth company with a very promising future. This auto industry will soon start to manufacture its own vehicle. Why? Because according to the recent development, Lordstown Motors and Diamond Peak Holdings announced that they have entered into an agreement for a business combination with, and I quote, an implied 1.6 billion pro forma equity. What does it mean? Well, it means Lordstown Motor, an electric vehicle manufacturer, will commence and continue to produce Diamond Peak EV vehicles. And in another development, according to Business Journal, GM Motors had provided a 40 million mortgage to Lordstown Motor so it could purchase and retool the plant meaning GM Motor also have a big stake in the merger. It is a win-win for Diamond Peak EV vehicle. Okay, let's say you buy 3 shares at $24, which is £18.06 each, total £54.18. So total money spent so far is £23.50 plus £54.18, which is £77.68. And remember, you have £100 to spend. So minus 77.68 from £100, we have £22.32. Okay, let us diversify. Let us buy banks. And now we go for Barclays Bank with the ticker symbol BCX. Barclays Investment Bank is one of the largest in the world when you mention asset. It covers a wider geography all over the world. Market cap at $21.743 billion. Total asset 1.14 trillion. Total liabilities 1.08 trillion. And as part of the bank investment and expansion strategy, Barclays acquired Lehman Brothers in 2008. Up to date, the bank remains one of the biggest investment banks in the world. However, presently, the share price dropped significantly due to the first market crash in the first quarter of the year 2020 and the subsequent market crash of September 2020. The share price is now below £1. Can you believe it? Yes, of course, it is below £1. I will say Barclays is on sale now. Buy it. So let's say you buy 22 shares at 98 pence during the production of this video. So let's say you buy 22 shares for £21.56. And note, Barclays pays dividend, but for now, dividend is suspended due to the recent crash. However, in my opinion, the bank will resume payment of dividend in the nearest future. So let us check how much we have invested so far. We have in total 77.68 plus 21.56, which gives us £99.24. Okay, wait. Listen to this. Don't buy the sneaker, not even the handbag. Take the £100. Let's start investing. Open Trading 212 account now. Check below in the description and the comment section. You will see the link. The link dedicated to Trading 212. Use the link to open an account. And if and when you use the link, you and I will get one free share each, worth up to £100. And if you need help on how to open the account with Trading 212, get in touch with me. I am available 24/7 through my email. Check it below. And check my video about how to evaluate and pick stocks. You will see it at the end of this clip. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.